Wizard deluxe. Times being what they were, I accepted the job, retaining my balloon against the advent of a quick getaway. And in that balloon, my dear Dorothy, you and I will return to the land of E pluribus unum. May I, your wizard, Sir Adjua ad Alta, am about to embark upon a hazardous and technically unexplainable journey into the outer stratosphere. To converse, and otherwise hobnob with my brother wizards. And I hereby decree that until what time, if any, that I return, the Scarecrow, by virtue of his highly superior brains, shall rule in my stead, assisted by the Tin Man, by virtue of his magnificent heart, and the Lion, by virtue of his courage. Obey them as you would me. Thank you. This is a highly irregular procedure. Absolutely unprecedented. Ruin my engine.
Jump!
I can't come back. I don't know how it works. Goodbye, folks.
Oh no, I'll never get home.
Stay with us, Dorothy. We all love you. We don't want you to go.
That's very kind of you. But this could never be like Kansas. Auntie Em must have stopped wondering what happened to me by now. Oh, Scarecrow, what am I going to do?
Look, he is someone who can help you.
Who is she? What's under the skirt?
You don't need to be
Girl on girl action!
only that alone.
Why didn't you tell her before?
She had to learn it for herself.
What have you learned, Dorothy?
I think that it wasn't enough just to want to see Uncle Henry and Auntie Em. And it's that if I ever go looking for my heart's desire again, I won't look any further than my own backyard.
Look under Glenda's dress.
I never really lost it to begin with.
Oh, yes, you did. Yes, you did. Many years ago.
That's so easy. I should have thought of it. Boy, I should have felt it in my heart.
No, she had to find it out for herself. Now those magic slippers will take her home in 2 seconds. Oh, Toto 2? Toto 2? Toto 2! Now, wherever you be. Oh, dear. That's too wonderful to be true. Screw, it's been so hard to say goodbye.
Goodbye.
I love you.
I'm out of here.
Goodbye, Tin Man. Oh, don't cry. You rust so dreadfully. Here's your oil can. Goodbye.
Self-look
Now I know
yourself.
I've got a heart, because it's breaking.
Goodbye, Lion. You know, I know it isn't right, but I'm gonna miss the way you used to holler for help before you found your courage.
Come on.
I've never found it if it hadn't been for you.
Lost the trail.
I think I'll miss you most of all.
Are you making breakfast tomorrow morning?
Suck him! Suck him!
I'll be waiting for you.
I'll be there. Bye, Toto.
Yes, I'm ready now. Then close your eyes.
No.
Tap your ears together 3 times.
Bend over and open wide.
And think to yourself, there's no place
like home in the air. There's no place like home. There's no place like home. There's no place like home. Can't leave, bitch.
Wake up, honey. Place like home. There's no place like home. Dorothy, dear. You were there, darling. You were there, it's you. Yes, darling.
Hello there. Anybody home? I just dropped by because I heard the little girl got caught in the big... Well, she seems all right now.
Yeah, she got quite a bump on the head. We kind of thought there for a minute she was going to leave us.
Oh.
But I did leave you, Uncle Henry. That's just the trouble. And I tried to get back for days and days.
There, lie quiet now. You just had a bad dream.
Sure. Remember me?
Your old pal, Hunk?
Me?
Yeah, that's the one.
Dickley? You couldn't forget my face, could you?
Put 'em on, put 'em on.
But it wasn't a dream. It was a place. And you were there.
Oh.
But you couldn't have been, could you?
Well, we dream lots of silly things when we...
No, Aunt Em. This was a real, truly live place. And I remember that some of it wasn't very nice. But most of it was beautiful. But just the same, all I kept saying to everybody was, I want to go home. And they sent me home. Doesn't anybody
Alice
believe
is
me?
dead.
Of course we believe you.
But anyway, Toto, we're home. Home. And this is my room. And you're all here. And I'm not going to leave here ever, ever again. Because I love you all. Oh, Annie M. There's no place like home.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for being here with us this evening. Let's bring out to the stage our cast, the Munchkins.
It's so fun.
The Guards. And the Flying Monkeys.
Yeah, where's the one little spankies? Those aren't monkeys.
Let's give them a bow, Flying Monkeys. A reverse bow.
Yes. All right, bring out the bitch, I wish.
The Wicked Witch.
Coffee Tom, yeah! Woo!
The Lullaby League. Or what's left of the Lullaby League. And the great and wonderful Wizard of Oz. Scarecrow. The Tin Man. The Lion.
Brad and Rocky Horror. Put him on, Tommy.
Let's bring to the stage Miss Glinda.